Hey folks, Chef Reggie again. Today's going to be a little bit different. We're using chicken thighs one more time, and we're actually going to do a boneless chicken wing. So what I've already done is I've already taken the skin off of these, using them in the broth. More skin the merrier. But basically what we're going to do is we're going to flour these up, we're going to air fry some, and we're going to oven bake some as well for the people who don't have air fryers. And this is just a delicious snack that you can easily make at home. All right, let's get it on. All right, folks, and here we go. So our chicken is, like I said, it's already been skinned and deboned. As you can see, you get kind of a groove where it separates. We're going to cut these all in half, and that's basically going to be our wing portion size. All right, so what I've done also is I've already pre-made myself a flouring mixture. Recipe be in the video for sure. And I'm gonna just add them all in together. We're gonna shake it really good, get it completely coated, and then we're gonna begin our cooking. And off to the races. Once again, just generously coat everything. Don't be shy, go wild. All right, here we go. We're going to start with a pan-fried one. We're just going to give it a quick crisp, and then we're going to finish it off in the oven. Well, make sure your oil is nice and hot. Just kind of flake your chicken. You see some bubbles. That looks fantastic. So we're going to go ahead and just drop our chicken in there. There we go. And everything's cooking really well. We're just going to flip our chicken over. Let it continue to cook for about 5 minutes. We're going to take it out into a pan and straight into the oven. Alright, now we'll get these guys into a little baking pan. In a preheated oven, about 350 degrees. You're going to cook for another 10 to 12 minutes. Alright, and as for our oven-style chicken wings, they are perfect. Alright, so I've already preheated a bit, and I'm just going to get some chicken pieces in there. I like to shake them off so it's a little bit less of a mess. There we go. And we'll start with that. Alright, just took a look here. The wings are looking great from the air fryer, so round one complete. We're going to put them in a bowl. We're going to toss our wings after. And I've got one more round of air fryer to go here. All right, now the time is all complete with the air fryer. I checked all the chicken. It is perfect. We're gonna add it all in here. And for myself, I like my wings pretty simple. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna toss it into just a bit of salt and pepper. And I really enjoy it that way. You can have any sauce that you would like. You know, of course, you have your typical, your mild, which is a barbecue sauce, your medium, which is a mixture of barbecue sauce and some sort of hot sauce, and then whatever hot sauce if you like as well. But just nice, easy salt and pepper is my perfect chicken wing. Have it any way you like. Get it in you.